Imagine you have some money, let's say it's called ETH, that you can invest to make more money. Now there's this thing called EigenLayer, which works kind of like a special investment protocol, built on a system called Ethereum, which is like a big digital ledger for transactions. Let's find out more. Welcome to CryptoSchain, I'm your host Claudio. EigenLayer introduces something new called restaking, which is like taking the money you've already invested and reinvesting it to make even more money. EigenLayer offers a game-changing platform where staked ETH becomes a powerhouse for securing protocols beyond Ethereum itself. But that's not all. Users earn protocol fees and rewards in return. And the best part, restaking is available for both natively staked ETH and liquid staked tokens like STETH or ETH, CBETH, and LSETH, ensuring maximum flexibility for investors. Hey developers, listen up. EigenLayer grants access to Ethereum's staked capital base and a decentralized validator set. Now imagine the possibilities. Previously unthinkable mechanism designs now within reach. Now let's take a look at the EigenLayer dashboard. Here you'll find a large amount of pools offering the restaking feature. Exciting, right? But hold on, deposits are temporarily disabled, so stay tuned for more updates. But who's driving this innovation forward, you may be asking? Meet Eigen Labs, the brains behind EigenLayer, led by CEO Sriram Kannan. This powerhouse team boasts an impressive lineup of software engineers fueling their vision. And talk about confidence. EigenLayer has attracted hefty investments from industry giants like Polychain Capital, Coinbase Ventures, and Electric Capital, signaling a bright future ahead. In breaking news, EigenLayer recently announced that they're securing a staggering $100 million in investment from A16Z, one of the largest VC firms led by Andreessen Horowitz. The message is clear. EigenLayer is here to stay. But with all the excitement, a shadow looms. Ethereum's founder Vitalik Buterin voices concerns about EigenLayer's impact on Ethereum's consensus mechanism. Could this spell trouble for Ethereum's future? According to reports from the block, Vitalik fears that EigenLayer's restaking feature may overcomplicate Ethereum's original design. Is Ethereum facing a doomsday scenario? Only time will tell. There you have it, EigenLayer, the restaking solution for Ethereum. If you found this video informative, you know what to do. Till next time.